PayPal or Payoneer? Which platform you should use to withdraw your online earning? Today in this video, I am going to share my personal experience with you. I am using PayPal and Payoneer, these both platforms, so I can share my best experience with you. Which platform you should use to withdraw your online earning? If you are working as a freelancer online, or if you have dropshipping store, or if you sell any types of online service, then you must have to create PayPal or Payoneer account. Today in this video I will do comparison between these two platforms, and I will show you which platforms provide the fast best service and which platforms give better currency rate. Yes guys, I am an Indian, so whenever I get money from US dollar or Great British pound, I have to convert that money into my Indian currency. So today I will share which platform give me better currencies rate and which platforms provide fastest service. So please try to watch this video till the end. This video is going to be very helpful for you guys. It will help you a lot to make your best decision for which platform you should use to withdraw your earnings. So without wasting any time, let's get started. But guys, before I start this video, if you are new on my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. And also please don't forget to give me a like on this video and share your best comment as well. Now let me show you one of my PayPal earning proof. Guys, before I open my PayPal account, I just want to say guys, if you join Payoneer through my referral link, which you will find in the video description, then we both of us get $25. So I would highly recommend you to join Payoneer through my referral link. We both will earn $25, which we can withdraw directly into bank account. So guys, here you can see, here I open one of my PayPal earning, which I received on 23rd April 2020, and I received this earning from Fiverr.com. So whenever you withdraw your earning from Fiverr, PayPal will cut no fees. So you can see there is no fees cut, and you can see the value was $2,544. I refresh this page so you can trust that I am not making any types of fake video. I actually received this payment, and you can see guys, the currency rate I get is 73 Indian rupees, and on 23rd April the dollar value was around 76 Indian rupees, but PayPal give me 73 Indian rupees currency rate on $1. Now I will open some of my other PayPal earning, so in which PayPal cut a huge fee. You can see guys, this is my another PayPal earning, and I received this payment on 8 May 2020. Today is 14 May 2020. Just 6 days ago I received this payment, and you can see guys, this payment was in Great British pound, and you can see guys, I received 79.35 Great British pound, and first of all PayPal cut 4.35 Great British pound as a PayPal fee. Guys, it is huge. They do not just cut this PayPal fee. No, they also cut their money when they convert their money into my Indian rupees. In total, with this transaction, I lost $10 to $15. Yes, guys. You can see if I convert this money into US dollar. Let me open Great British pound to USD. You can see guys, I'm just typing here. You can see 5.30 US dollar they cut first of all is a PayPal fee, and next they cut very big amount of currency raise. So in total with this transaction I lost $10 to $15. You can imagine guys, with 79 Great British pound, if I have to pay 4.35 pound fees, then you can imagine guys, if I will withdraw 200 pound or 1000 pound, then you can imagine guys how much fee I have to pay. And guys, this fee is not the end. They also cut currency rate, and they give very less amount of Indian currency when I withdraw this money. And this happened with every transaction I made. You can see guys, one of my students purchased my course, Fiverr course, and my course value is 7.86 US dollar. And you can see guys, PayPal cut 0.77 US dollar. You can imagine guys, almost they are cut $1 is a PayPal fee. Plus they will also cut money when they will convert this money into my Indian currency. It is huge guys. And PayPal send this money into my bank account in 48 hours. Sometime it take 72 hours as well. I am really not happy with this PayPal service. First of all, they are cutting a very big fee, and they cut very high amount of currency rate. Now let me show you my Payoneer earning. You can see guys, here I withdraw some money from Fiverr using Payoneer, and you can see guys, the last earning I withdraw on 11th May, and today is 14th May. 3 days ago I withdrew this money. Now let me show you how much currency rate Payoneer cut. Guys, you can see here, you can see guys, if I check on 11th May USD to INR, here on 11th May you can see guys, the dollar value was 75.94 Indian rupees, almost $76. And on 23rd April, on which I withdrew 2544 US dollar, at that day the dollar value was also $76, almost $76. But guys, as I showed you before, PayPal only gave me 73.50 Indian rupees, like that, 73.86 I think, on one US dollar. But here you can see guys, Payoneer give me 74 Indian rupees. So guys, when I withdraw money using Payoneer, and the best part is guys, Payoneer send me this money within 12 hours. Yes guys, within 12 hours I receive this payment to my bank account. So guys, Payoneer is very fast compared to PayPal, and they also give better currency rate. So guys, if you ask me which platform you should use, PayPal or Payoneer, I would highly recommend you to use Payoneer, because because their service is very fast, and they also give better exchange rate. So I would highly recommend you to use Payoneer. And guys, I also share my referral link to Payoneer in my video description. If you join Payoneer through my referral link, and if you do $1,000 transaction by using Payoneer, we both of us get 25 US dollar. Yes guys, and you can withdraw this money, $25, directly into your bank account. So guys, with this video you can easily understand guys, Payoneer is the best service. And guys, the another part is, in our country, in India, I cannot withdraw money using Payoneer from individual. Only companies like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, Shopify, they can send me the payment. But in India, I cannot get money from individual. But guys, if you are outside of India, then you can get money from individual as well. So again guys, I would recommend you to go with Payoneer. They provide fast service, plus they give better exchange rate. So guys, I hope this video will helpful to you to make your best decision. So guys, if you like this video, then please don't forget to give me a like on this video, and also please don't forget to share your best comment. And guys, I would highly recommend you to join Payoneer through my referral link, and it will motivate me a lot to make more and more videos for you. And guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate your time. Please give me a like. Have a nice day.